A very good day to all of you students. Today in HTML programming we will learn about how to display image in a background. And you know the background attribute is used for this purpose. The attribute of body tag. There were two tags that works in a background, that is background, and the value of background is image URL, and bg color, and the value of bg color is name of the color. That two attribute of body tag works in a background, so we have to use only one attribute in a web page. Either we have to use background, either we have to use bg color, because both attribute works in a background, so at same time both attribute not work in a same web page. Okay, so either you have to use background or attribute or bg color attribute. So in this video we learn about how to use background attribute and how we have to place the URL of the image. Student, in previous video you have learned about image tag, and in that image tag we place the URL of the image you have learned here. So just like this, we again in background attribute gives the URL of the image, and same process as in image tag that you have to give the image URL, the same process will be here in background attribute. Okay, so how we have to place image URL? So let's see this. We go on images from your system, okay, where you have to place it. Suppose in pictures, okay, and this is your pictures folder, and suppose we want to place this image in our background. Okay, so click on this image and come on this address, select, click on here, and you see the path of the image will be selected. Okay, copy this path, start from C, user, public, pictures, then sample pictures. All these are divided with slash. Okay, you see clear way that all the parts divided with slash. Now copy this and paste on background attribute. Okay, so here we paste this. So from C drive to pictures part copied here, and what we have to do next, we place backslash, and what is the name of the picture? That is 1. Okay, you see in that picture that name of the picture is 1, and .jpg, that is the format of the image. In most of the browser JPG not supported, so you have to write JPEG or PNG. Okay, so you have to do two things. Go on that image, their folder, click on that image and select the path of the image. Okay, now backslash and name of the image with dot and format. Okay, here you have to write any of the paragraph, any HR, any table, what you have to display on your image. Now when we will run this program, this display like this, open in URL. Okay, this is the title text, background, and this is your paragraph text, and in background you have to see that image will display. So you have to use only one attribute, that is background or bg color in a web page at same time. Okay, this is all about background attribute of body tag.